Hey everybody, my name is Mr. Fragrance. I'm back with another fragrance video. Well, I think it's more of a first impression video. I never owned one of these fragrances from this brand. You guys seen the title, you already know what it is. So it's no other than Jean Paul Gaultier in the Navy. Never owned any of their flankers or fragrances. It's my first time getting one, so I'm going to tell you how I feel about it and my first impression. So if you want to hear more about this, stay tuned. It's coming right up. This is Jean Paul Gaultier in the Navy. So I picked this up at Macy's a couple of days ago. They had a sale. I think it's 15% off their fragrances, all the fragrances they have. So it wasn't too bad. The only thing wasn't on sale was the Chanel brand, but it is what it is. But all the other fragrances were on sale, which was nice. If you want Dior Sauvage or if you want the new Dolce & Gabbana, the one greater, all discounted 15% off, which isn't bad at all. Very great. You know, shout out to Macy's. If you guys want to check it out, Macy's, I'll leave a link, Macy's below, where they have 15% off on fragrances. I'm not sure how long it's going to last, but I'll leave a link below. This is in the Navy by Jean Paul Gaultier. I never had one of these fragrances. I'm going to try it out. I smelled it before at the store, and the price wasn't bad. I got it for about 78 bucks. A regular $92 for this 4.2 ounce, 125 ml bottle. So I'm going to unbox it and let you know how it smells. Here's the bottle in the Navy. Cute girl, two guys arm wrestling up top. It's the back of it. Here's the bottom, picked up at Macy's. Right there. Let's unbox this bad boy. In the Navy. So the stickers and stuff was on the side was actually on the actual wrapper, so you don't always see the bottle. But oh man, get this off here. Wow. Wow, look at that presentation. Really nice. Bottle itself has a thing inside where it holds it in there. So it holds it in place when you put it back in there, which is nice. And bottle presentation is really nice. Different with the dark and the white here. It's pretty cool. Instead of like that dark green with the white, so it's different. It has Gaultier in the back. You guys can see that. It's pretty cool. Little lock here. The locket. Distribution spray right here. So the nice little suede bottom, which is nice. Take it out. This is pretty cool. Really nice inside suede. Really nice and soft. Holds it in place. Pretty weird looking bottle, but I do like it. You know, let me tell you some of the notes that are in this fragrance. I wrote it down. So the notes that are in this fragrance, we have peppermint as a top note. We have the heart notes of ocean accord. And we have the base notes of vanilla and ambergris. So let's give this fragrance a smell and see what it smells like. Pull the lock cap off. And let's spray it and see how it smells. Straight off the bat, I get the mint note so far. A little bit of the ocean accord, like a kind of a sea vibe. Like you're at the shore, like a sea salt kind of vibe. But so far I get the peppermint. Really nice and pleasant. I tried this out before there. It smells really good. I will have a review coming for this shortly. If you guys want a review, please leave a link below. I'm going to try to go out and talk to people and see if they like this fragrance here a lot. You know, I heard good things about this brand, but I've never reviewed it on my channel. So far, I just smell a lot of the peppermint in it. So let me spray it on my arm and see if it smells differently. So Yep, still smell the peppermint. So far, I like the fragrance so far. The price wasn't bad, and this is Jean Paul Gaultier in the navy. So if you guys want a review about this fragrance, please leave a comment below. Let me know. If you tried this fragrance and you like it, please leave a comment below. Definitely going to give it some wear and see if it's worth it or not for you guys to buy it. So thanks for watching my video. And if you want to know more about this fragrance here, please stay tuned to my channel and like the video. Please subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment below if you heard about this fragrance or want to buy this fragrance in your future. Until my next video, peace guys.